this life when I come like this. Hey!
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, thanks for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. You understand? This year again is another fantastic episode. Believe me, you're gonna love this. You are gonna love this. So what you just have to do for me is to make sure you're subscribed. You understand? Watch this video to the very end and make sure to drop nice comments. Just tell me your favorite part of the video. Drop it right in the comment section. You understand? And if you can share my video, please do well to share it. You understand? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
See, me if I grow up, I will become a medical doctor. Me if I grow up, I will become a lawyer. Say not the lawyer, not lawyer. I say lawyer. And now medical doctor they get money pass lawyer. You know lie. Who tell you? Who tell you? Who tell you? Oh yeah, now
no, we hear your own.
Lawyer and the medical doctor who get money pass. I don't there for that talk. I don't know anything. Moko ask this brother where they come. Say excuse me.
Okay, what?
That time when he did small, he said he won't be something now.
Yes.
Let's see be the thing where he won't be.
When I dey grow, I be want become many things.
One man.
But na pilot been in my mind.
But now, as he don't big, what's
Wetin
he
you
happen?
You don't see him now.
One man again.
Hey, I don't be anything. Even to see wheelbarrow push, no problem.
Voila.
I think when I don't hear him, nobody wanna go decide for ourselves. Now country go decide for us. I don't know go out for me gonna no fight to. Me gonna no complain no. Person go graduate for school.
Congratulations.
Come out. Now Gary person they see the dream.
Make I come the suffer.
When my wife falls asleep versus Mr. Macaroni is being romantic here. Romantic husband. That's people like me. That is when I fall asleep. Let me see what's going to happen. Now phone she dey after. Phone.
I carry this boy phone come put for this people don't say no password. I come dey go see my sister.
Can you imagine? Now phone be a problem.
Match don't start.
Just the start now.
Very good.
Plan, this guy to score. This guy to score. Plan. Hey! The sun rays is catching sun in my eyes. Bros, now see you see boss. See, got one leg.
You don't cut.
Nobody they play bet.
Coach! This shoe they pay me, I don't fit play again, no. Stay calm. This guy to play without shoe. Your shoe they pay you? Yeah. Pass, come collect boot, come collect boot.
You don't stick out.
You go cry with that big car and you go cry.
You go really cry. You don't cut.
Cut again, man.
But coach they give shoe.
Try.
Let's go.
Poor man picking. Hey.
That's the ball. That's the ball. Hold up. What is? Your wife don't born, no. What wife don't born? Jesus Christ. Your wife don't born. Stake him. Stake all the money. That player must go ass. Where they go now? They say my wife don't born. I don't start if we play again.
You carry phone for pocket and they play, but who does that?
Hello? Jesus! Coach! Eh? They say that picking up my own, no? Enter. No, give me money.
You cut again.
But who they play ball, carry phone, they inside field, they play ball. Who does that? Who does
Poor man
that?
picking, they see something. So much poor man picking crowd.
Hey, go ask your your money don't finish.
You don't score.
See the one no bet, man, don't score. I don't stop betting. I know they bet again. I know they bet. My salary not finish this afternoon. Go, you no gree score. Come on, you no gree come out. Your wife boy no fit go ask. Mumu man. Hey, man, I call my mama.
Hey, mama send you. Nasboi.
My brother, none of us they suffer for the country. Please. I beg you in the name of God.
Go and verify.
If you supposed to steal anybody bag, not be my bag, na Tinubu bag. I beg you, please.
Bulaba.
As the suffer reach you, that's why you take reach me. We are all Nigerians, we are brothers. What will be your name?
Junior.
Junior, you are a good man. Don't let Nigeria change you. I beg you in the name of God. Please. Don't let Nigeria turn you to that person.
You know, maybe we'll see what goes up now.
I beg you. Junior. Good boy. Good boy. Junior. It's okay. You don't do. Now all of us they suffer now. If we use suffer now, begin the thief each other things. We are going to move from being Nigerians to Ambrobarians. You understand me? It's okay. Now 2,000 naira they inside the bag. Huh? I go take 1,000 naira and you go take 1,000. You understand me? Yeah, thank you, sir. It's okay. You don't hear about this thing where they call cream platform?
No, sir.
Okay, I see the problem. What do you do for a living?
Advert.
Sir.
That's okay. Now people like Onawe cream define. Eh? Are you a comedian? Are you a skit maker? Are you a anything where you get talent? All you need to do now to record a video of yourself. They do all these things. Then you submit them for the platform. Eh? Just follow instruction. When you submit your video, you campaign, make people vote for you. Before you go do like this, you can be the next superstar like Ashake or Brodda. But hope say when you don't become superstar, you don't go forget the man who rob you cream. Okay, put your number here. Okay, collect 1,000 naira. Make I give you. Okay. The boy get hurt like wicked. But if at least give me sim.
These content creators now they find trouble pass.
When I can't get this money for this life when I come like this. Eh?
Hey! For where? Nah lie.
Hey!
Money 3. Nah lie. You know the possible. I know.
The law
You know
and the citizenry to have to be ready
for the
A millionaire.
For my birthday this year, we're going to go to Zanzibar.
Your girlfriend tried to
So
test
happy,
you.
girl. That man is so
we're
nice.
not going to Zanzibar, we're going to Maldives.
Baby.
What's up, girl?
Shirin, meet my man.
Hi.
Oh,
Nice to finally meet
Thanks,
you.
Shirin.
I heard a lot of things about you. Baby girl, I'm going to work already.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, I
bye.
sent you 1 million. Check your account.
Baby,
Bye,
the
baby.
best. My man is so sweet. Yes. I don't know what I did to deserve him.
Isn't this your man's snap?
He might just have said hi to you now. It doesn't matter. Like,
We've been keeping streaks for 30 days now. What are you talking about?
Anybody can keep trick with anybody. It does not mean anything now. You can just does that mean he wants to have anything with you or anything like that?
Okay. I mean, no, you never know. Do you think we should put him to the test?
Test?
I love this book so much. Thank God my grandma gave me this book.
The Diary of a CEO.
It's just as traveling, man. Who's that?
It's Shireen.
Shireen?
Open up.
Hi, Shireen. Precious has traveled. I don't know him. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Oh, my gosh. My grandma told me this day will come. I didn't do it. Ah! Shireen, it's you I wanted. It's you I've always wanted. You are the girl I want. Please come and stay here on the bed. Oh, my God. I can't wait to off your pattern, Shireen, for real. I don't love my girlfriend at all. I love you so much. You look like the stars on the moon, girl. Oh my God.
Your babe went out there.
Jeez! Since you embarrass me, small test. You have already fumbled. Small test.
Test?
Small test. Ah, God,
What do you mean by? What do you mean by?
Embarrass you. Men will embarrass you.
What is she saying? What does she
I
mean
thought
by?
you were different. I thought you were a good guy. I thought you were different.
What do you mean by test?
What are you doing, my friend?
When I was in primary school, I failed all the tests. In secondary school, I had F9 throughout. Even in my university, I'm always failing. My grandma said I'm a failure.
You will not resist. Simple test I put you
It's hard test. Very hard.
You are right. He's a foolish guy. It's very foolish. I'm done. I'm breaking up with you. I'm done. Shireen, let's go.
I mean, he doesn't want you.
I want her. I don't want you. Go to hell. Go to hell.
Voila, you visit an African home.
Anyway, who you leave play for kitchen for?
When make I play game finish now, I go wash am.
When I cry, when you drop that crap, when you go wash play for me. Yeah! You know that's how I cook?
Yeah! Is that how you go let your mom embarrass you in front of your friends? I'm a Martin now. Jesus. Oh shit! No, man. You can't wash your dishes. No, man. I want to say you want to help me, sir. Oh shit! Moto, wash dishes. Wow! Please. Are you insane? You trying to reduce my speed? Now please! You gonna mess with me! You come here on to! Yeah, you don't do. What do you want to think I do now? Exactly! You go in there, you tell your mama, you ain't washing no dishes. Nah, mama, I don't think I have that kind of thing now. Shut the fuck up, nigga! You're a grown man! You can't be it, bro!
No bad energy.
Bad advice.
Dissolve!
This last meet where they spot.
Run, no.
Jesus!
Now you go watch it.
Who are you for this kind group?
Now you go watch everything, Mumu. What the? You got a crazy guy. Lagos drivers. You know they hear you now. They see them on. Who does that?
You're very stupid, Waka! Shaggy, you know they see me? When you go down pass, you don't see my navigator on. Short to the world, the man I'm minding myself for this Lagos, so we're gonna misbehave. Rubbish.
Have a nice day.
Same meaning but different words.
Enjoy the next 24 hours of your life.
I don't understand. Listen me that.
I just buy the shirt too.
You can't wait for 7 PM breaking up.
Jesus! That bad guy.
The Mumu shoot down by himself.
Chai, my son, as you're about to leave home, to feed home, may the earth favor you. In fact, May everybody born of a woman like me favor you. You will prosper as you're about to leave home to feed home. In Jesus' mighty name. I go. As about to...
Don't cry. Mama, don't cry. I'll make home proud. I'll make home proud, I promise.
Go. As you're about to leave home to feed.
Where is Brodda going to? Brodda, they leave home to feed them. You don't know say home don't chop.
Jesus.
Guys, we see what your mouth is not talking.
Oh my God!
You never see him don't talk. How long food they go home?
Where can food they go?
House now. Where they go?
I they leave home to feed them.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Who get that food where they carry go?
Now home.
Now home get her. Don't need no more they go.
Jesus!
Home don't chop. Now home get her. Okay, home go back.
What is it now? Why go mama catch shop go to video? Bro, now everybody they collect something. Even my neighbor, that should they collect.
Yeah, what's your neighbor? Eh? Not put me for wahala abego. Eh? This is where they go carry now from Master General's Foundation. Now them be the people where they help widow, orphans, and less privileged. You know, say my husband just died. They reach out to me so that they go help me. And not me be the first person where they do and do. If you go their Instagram handle, then they go see the good work what they do for people. Eh? If they can they put abego. Eh? Which kind of wahala be that?
Bros. This is a misunderstanding. Don't be misunderstanding. I did that woman shop. I say I did that woman shop. Bros, wait. Wait my time, Mama said they go J. But I help us tell Mama said they go J. Bros, I beg now. She need to hear her from the horse's mouth. Bros now. Bros. Please.
Master General's Foundation. What's going on here?
Perez, what's you do, sir?
I want eat now.
What you want eat?
Bread and granite na sand. Na food now.
Pay for what you want.
Make I pay for what I want eat for my own mama store.
You don't go pay before.
Yeah, mommy.
You don't go pay before.
How many you pay for when you dey follow your mama dey stay? Daddy, I know they understand you. At times I know they understand you. You think say I dey happy, say I dey call shop.
Perez, go find work. School where people they go for 4 years. Your own now 7 years. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Now maybe I saw strike. School where people they go for 4 years. I go my own for 7 years. Now maybe I sue. I still manage come outside now for the 7 years now. Work I know they see. What do you want make I do? So I come there for us because I not get work. Federal government say na roads they want do. They don't want create job opportunity. Even if the job opportunity they safe, now who get connection they go give the work. Probably who merit am.
When people they protest where you be. When people go protest for a better Nigeria, make the government for here say hunger day this country, make job for day. You there house they sleep, slow your life away.
All the blood they shed for Lekki toll gate, it never reach to take clean the country. What I want protest for?
What happen to your mouth? No be mad people think they talk to government when government they hear. Use your mouth, Perez.
What I want talk where very dark man never talk before. All the one wey fella talk. He still die leave the country not still change. Now tell me who I be. They never feel listen to very dark man. I mean they want listen to how many followers I get. You tell whether NYSC girl come as I cut talk, they threaten her. So this small place where I say they hide, man cut talk, tell me the family come. Nigeria freedom of speech day. Now freedom after speech be the problem. And you know
4 days now.
Everybody they complain say high cost of living, one kid in living. People hardly feel survive. No job opportunity. President leave the national problem when supposed to address. He say na the one wey happen for Port Harcourt na pena. What do you come make I do?
Perez, I dey shame for
you. You think say I dey proud of you? As I know they see the work, so you not go find the work for me. People know they find work for their people. Tell people say they get connection for government. I don't even know where you dey. If not by right, I don't suppose be SA for one side.
Jesus.
Now generation now this country start to spoil so. I didn't say on a fight for a right that time. By now we for not the face the problem we dey face today.
That's so
But
bro.
na time, once they just give una 2 cups of rice with 500, una just sell una vote, give the wrong person.
No be your mate be Joey Zaza.
Your mate not be $10.
Let's go find work.
The work easy to find. Now you wear native because sit down for your wife provision store.
Say insult. You know
Who know where
guys?
this man managed see money today?
Woman, I don't want to see that pikin for this house again.
Pikin where you born? Not be you born am.
I wait till you tell me, not me born am. You dey challenge me for this house? He dey do like me.
If na so your papa take pursue you comot for house, you forget this compound.
If not me born am, tell me, I no go vex. Make I kukuma leave una before una kill me for this place. Man, no shame for you.
Ah, Papa.
Now you would even talk about.
Now you they even look for.
Jesus. Where you coming from?
Papa, I don't collect my first salary. I don't talk say I collect my first salary. My papa go first give am.
You know, in this life, I talk if you get pikin trainer, one day he or she might become something very tangible. I make you don't give me that.
Your business idea is hot.
Woman, you don't see what I see? You get food where I keep inside your one chop. Go chop them.
Papa, a person will want help me find another job. Say me I bring 8,000.
Now you dey talk small.
Very paying though. Papa, you know sir, I never finished paying my school fees. Now 10,000 ringgit.
That means we have lost 2 million.
No problem. And my pikin will go to school. This your attitude, it took me down, make me emotional.
Thank you, sir.
If you don't take the risk.
Papa,
what's me that?
in that agbada, when they help you, so the money made 2,000.
You should almost not have
Go and bring it.
I
God
gave
have
it
mercy upon us.
What did happen here? What did happen here?
Pio? I be hold money for hand before she give me money.
The Bible says he sacrificed his only son and are they happy? I want to sacrifice my only son and they shall send a ritual. Which kind of rubbish talk be that one?
Since today God say everything will end, no problem. Your pikin don't use your brain. Your pikin don't use your brain, you don't get sense. Can you imagine? I believe you enjoyed yourself, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please, like I always tell you guys, check out my other videos. I've got fantastic videos on my channel. So many videos, over 200 videos on my channel. Check them. I'm sure you haven't watched them all. So go through them, check them. You will love them. You will love them, trust me. You understand? So drop nice comments, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do the needful by subscribing. You get me? Share this video, it's important. So see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.